world, and welcome to Sound Prime JB. I'm Albert. This is my good friend Sam. And we are here in JB, Johor Bahru, Malaysia, to introduce our new channel.
Betul.
So, step by step, this is the place we like to make music. We call it the Blues Science Factory. Or just the Blues Palace, or the Blues Shed. This is because Sam and me are musicians, and we just love doing the blues. But that's not the only thing we do. Generally speaking, here in this new YouTube channel, we are going to try to explain and help you guys with when you're out there to record your own stuff. And this is really a very, very small unit, but we got all the stuff that makes us happy, everything we need to record some good stuff. So we'll be dealing with electronics, guitars, amplification, and all that stuff. And we do this basically in 5 different kinds of episodes in YouTube. Well, let's check this out. So we're talking about music and what makes us tick in what we call the Just Talk episode. And that's exactly what it is. Just talk. No music, just talk. Like 2 friends talking about what goes on in their life, what goes on in the music industry, and what goes on in their job, making music. So it's like, have you seen that Steve Vai just opened up?
Yes, the Steve Vai.
It's called Steve Vai himself. Think about it, and this man can play. I am a fan. But think about the idea where Steve wakes up in the morning, puts on his guitar. It's Corona now, so and just starts playing, and you're inside Steve Vai's home, and then he's playing Bad Horsey or something like that. So I mean, that's amazing. Shoot the shit. The other stuff is, and a lot of episodes are linked in the way that if we just talked about Steve Vai, it's a matter of fact that Steve introduced a new Ibanez, where he's sponsored by, it's called the PR. And this is really a great guitar, but we pick up that kind of stuff in the episodes that we call instrument talk, where we discuss why Gibson created the Les Paul, who was Les Paul, when was he born, where are these guitars made, when did they start producing these guitars, and you know what, not just guitars, so it's called instrument talk, but as a matter of fact, we deal with the accessories around it, and not just guitars, so amplification, but also saxophones, pianos, all that kind of stuff. We also debate these things with friends, which is more like a podcast, but we call it Friends Talk. So Sam and me know a lot of musicians, that do the same thing as we do. Music is our first love, in a way. And we'd like to invite all you guys, to come talk to us live, in Skype, and debate stuff. So Friends Talk is the kind of podcast where all our friends all over the world come together to discuss this business. Then you guys obviously are invited as well, whether it's Just Talk or Instruments Talk or even Friends Talk, you can leave your comments behind, subscribe first, put on that bell so we can warn you when we have a new episode, and then put in your comments so we can get back to it, talk about it, and make it all happen. With these 5 different episodes. So Just Talk, Tech Talk, the kind of tutorial stuff, Instruments Talk for history and explanation of accessories and instruments, Friends Talk, the podcast, Studio Talk about microphones and recording technology, and then in the end the studio tracks and live tracks that point us to the Tech Talk tutorials. And that is what it's all about, Sam, right? Give me 5. And all you gotta do now is show that you're interested, subscribe on this channel, put on the little beep, so every time we make a new episode, we've done it. And we'll be looking forward at your comments, your questions, and remember, ask and we can answer. You don't ask, I don't know what to say about it. And I hope we're going to be somebody that will help you in your musical explorations. So for now, thanks a lot for tuning in, okay? And I really hope I'm going to see you back real soon from anywhere here on that globe. Sam, sir, it was a pleasure.
Yep.
Goodbye, everybody. See you back soon. Goodbye. Peace.